Exploring SoFi Week, Technicals, Market Trends, and Options Strategies. Join the analysis for insights into the upcoming trading sessions. Welcome to Stock Analysis, your go-to destination for insightful market analysis and investment strategies. If you're ready to navigate the world of stocks with confidence, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, I want to talk about SoFi. I want to discuss some expectations for the coming week. What factors could cause volatility? And I want to review everything to help you understand everything. But first, let's get straight to the point. When it comes to this coming week, SoFi technicals are poised and bullish for a good breakout. So let's start quickly about the week ahead. It has rebounded twice from this S1. It has rebounded twice from this pivot point, with the latest being on Friday. So you can understand that every time it rebounds from this, its strength increases even more. And it is also orienting itself for a breakout move. Although this wasn't really a FOMO rally that many investors, including myself, were prepared for. It's a good step-ladder approach, and next week, you also have technicals poised for a breakout. When we look at stochastic, we don't see any useful trend. But this is at 28, and it's quite low at the end, so it will favor SoFi, especially if there are some fantastic earnings. Then there will be a storm for value investors. So recently there has been a trend from both sides of the market for retail to buy the dip, if you understand. Regarding options, of course, options are just a fixed period because it doesn't necessarily change the stock price. But looking at open interest, a lot of big money is expected somewhere above $9 or more. So if it goes above the $9 range, as I've said before, there will be only 37,000 options at the $9 strike price. They will be exercised. Market makers will have to cover them. So, if there are very good earnings and it goes significantly above the local expectation, well above $9, then you will see the beginning of a gamma squeeze, and it will only start to rise from there quickly. Because shorts, as I said before, have already extended themselves too much with SoFi, in my opinion. In the upcoming earnings, 13.69% of the free flow has been shorted. This is just madness. Companies that don't produce anything, that are just failing, and don't have any prospects of being profitable, don't have that much short interest. So, there's something fishy. There's something fishy, of course. And as I said, if there's an increase in good value, then this will just be a beautiful domino effect. Just on Friday alone, 342,000 shares were added. In total, 122.53 million shares have been shorted. So with some good earnings, things could really turn out right. Sure, I have previously discussed technical matters, and further technical matters are being overlooked for the same reason. The impact of this fresh incident, thus far, SoFi hasn't really broken the Elliott wave. Technical matters are transitioning for a pullback. Hence, you are witnessing many AI attempting to bring it down on their own. Algorithmic trading is fully operational in 2024. Therefore, it appears to be ranging between 536 and 590 in the short term. I think this is incorrect. This could happen if SoFi fails on many aspects of its earnings and doesn't provide good guidance, then yes, this could become a reality. But it's a big assumption. As I said, I think all data points so far are shifting towards a good upswing. Maybe it could even go up to $9 or more, because I have emphasized this so much. There is an open interest of 69,000 at the $12 strike price. So big money, I don't know who, perhaps just shorts or whatever else there is, are hoping for it to go above $12. Hopefully this competition will be dealt with, vice versa. It would be unfair if I didn't mention what our predictions are. So people are entering puts between 7 and 750. Similarly, for going up, people are hopeful between 12. There is a necessary difference between risk and return with SoFi. That's why you will see a lot of recognition for it. This week, many major companies are announcing their earnings, such as Apple and Microsoft. The future guidance from these companies will be crucial, potentially sparking a significant rally or causing a downturn in the market. Additionally, the Federal Reserve will announce its interest rate decision on Wednesday. They might maintain the status quo, but there's also a possibility of hinting at future interest rate cuts, which could lead to increased volatility in the market. I have a positive outlook on SoFi stock and believe in its bright future prospects. I've already set my puts, which I previously sold. If the stock price falls below the strike price, I could buy the stock at that price, and if the price goes up to $12, I'll only receive the premium. I endorse options trading, and if you're not familiar with it, I recommend doing some research. Hopefully, everyone had a good SoFi day on Monday. It should be an exciting day. And I'm quite optimistic about the rest of the week as well. What are your thoughts on SoFi? Do you think it might dip into the low fives or perhaps reach $12? Thanks for joining Stock Analysis. Stay informed with our market insights. Hit subscribe for expert strategies, and let's navigate the stock world together. Happy investing.